How to find tracking number for a trade assurance order on Alibaba.com. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do so, and you can follow out these steps carefully for that. So let's start by going to Alibaba.com, open up a browser and head over to Alibaba.com and log in if you're not logged in. Now we can click on My Alibaba, or if you're not signed in, click on Sign In and click on this option called My Alibaba. Otherwise, click on this option called Account. And this is the following page we should be finding. Now from this section, what we need to do is we need to go to the order section. You can either click on this orders option and click on it. And here we can find our trade assurance order. So go ahead and click on the view details option from the section, and you can scroll to the logistics and shipment section. And there we should be finding a tracking number that we can view, and the shipping company as well, such as FedEx, UPS, etc. And also the shipping status, you can just go over and view it up this way. Otherwise, what we can do is we can go to the messages section as well. So go over in the card for messages option and look at your chat and find the chat with the supplier, and suppliers often send you the tracking number, courier name, and the tracking link as well, where you can check out the tracking details. And that's it. Those are probably some of the ways you can use to find the tracking number for a trade assurance. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.